This is thanks to, today we have a tabletop grill that we bought from Gilt. It was on sale. It seems like the product was out about 4 years ago and now it was on Gilt, so we wanted to have a barbecue kit inside our home. Because we live in a condo, we can't have a full-size grill because the deck is too small and the clearance above the ceiling is not big enough. So when we read the instruction manual for the tabletop barbecue set right here, we were told from the instructions that we only need about 10 feet above the grill in order for this to be safe. So we thought this would be a good idea to have in the back because we really like eating steak and the grilling versus pan fry does taste different. So today we're gonna open this up. We're going to review the contents inside. And today we're going to cook some steaks, some scallops, and shrimp. And hopefully we're going to like what we cook. I'll see you soon. So we have the grill here. I opened it up and I kind of showed you the picture of what it's in. So now I'm going to review what's inside here. So first, this is a carrying strap that you saw that can cover it up, and then you can actually almost get it, move it like a bag. You can have it on your shoulder or you can just hold on to it and you can carry it around. This piece of metal, this is for the grill top. It's to help lift it in case you have to remove it and put the charcoal, additional charcoal in here to, create more fire. So the grill and the remover. Also on the bottom, there is this piece of metal. This is for the bottom where the charcoal, it doesn't stick to the actual bowl inside. So it's also in there. And this is the part where it holds the charcoal. As you can see, there's aerations to help with the airflow inwards. And just a part, this is just an empty piece. One thing you'll notice is that there are markings on the bottom of the holder. And if you look at it closely, there are holes that are made in here. And this is to help with the airflow into the grill so you can control the strength of the fire. And this is the cover as well as the piece that sits on the bottom to make sure there's enough spacing between the hot grill and whatever floor, usually the tabletop that you're going to be using. As you can see, this is a cork board or made out of cork it looks like, and there are parts for the aeration to be controlled. So you can actually completely block the airflow if the charcoal is burning or it's almost at the end, so that there's not enough air coming in and it won't burn out quickly. And as you cook, you can turn it and allow more air to come through to help with increasing the firepower of the grill. So we're gonna go ahead and go outside and we're gonna start cooking and we're gonna see how well it works. Alright, the charcoal's now ready. So we're gonna start cooking. I'm gonna start with the steak. And I'll do the scallops. The shrimp is still frozen, but it'll still do.
맛있겠다.
맛있겠어?
배고파요.
자,
오빠,
응?
스프 해야 되는데 가스레인지가 안 되는데
Soup?
어떡하지?
It looks like it's burnt. Oops. That's still being worked on.
엄마 고기가 왜 그래?
타버렸어.
한 덩이 더 부을까 그러면?
시즌 할래 그럼?
오케이. 비주얼 좋게. 너무 타가지고 미치기가. 이 새우는 또. 오빠는 그럼 여기에만 집중해 이제 앞으로. 내가 시즌 하나 더 해가지고 올게.
So that was the cooking for the steak and using the tabletop barbecue grill that we purchased from Guilt. And I think it was really good because I didn't require too much headroom for the heat to dissipate. I had a fan out there just in case in case it was too hot, then I can blow away the heat to the outer part of the condo. And overall, I think it's really good. I think it's another way to cook these delicious food that we have in front of me, and hopefully we're gonna enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bon appetit!